69 degrees with a dew point of 52. That's nice dry air. An east-northeast wind at 15 miles per hour. We have 72 on the North Shore and 70 on the south, but mid-70s holding now through Nashua and through Bedford and Norwood too. The Vineyard 71 degrees, 69 on Nantucket. We started the day off with a lot of murk, but boy, that clearing moved in swiftly. And fair weather clouds popping up. Some of these have been enough to produce a shower across western Mass, but that's all it is a quick, big, kind of elongated shower along the Mass Pike now. Getting closer to Springfield. They're sinking southbound. There might be more that pop up around Worcester, but they're brief, last 5 minutes, and that's it. And that's it for the evening. Other than that, we just focus on that weekend forecast. It's not entirely washed out, not selling it as that, but boy, it does have a wet period between Saturday night and early on Sunday morning. A soaking, in fact, with downpours possible. Windy along the coast, too, tomorrow afternoon, and especially on Sunday morning. Some gusts could be over 40 miles an hour on Sunday morning along the coastline. So, wow, get ready for like a full-fledged weather system to move in. We don't normally get these in late June or even midsummer, but this is the exception. There's a lot of energy in the jet stream, and we're going to be squeezing that out in the form of some rain, too, and wind. 72 in Lowell tomorrow, 68 in Boston. We really don't get a hold on those 70s because the wind will be onshore out of the southeast, and the sun will be fading as the day wears on. 75 in Hudson and Framingham, 74 in Hopedale, and down to the South Shore. Plymouth at 72, 73 in Brockton, and about 76 in Wellesley tomorrow. So we should be able to get at least into the mid-70s Metro West. Well, so this warm front moving in, these lines of equal pressure called isobars, the closer they are, the more you see on the map, the windier it is. The winds won't be all that tremendous back through parts of our western suburbs up through the Merrimack Valley, but Worcester could get some strong winds as well. The warm front never really lifts through, so we stay on the cool side of this in these downpours on Sunday morning. But the hope is on Sunday, and I'm still hoping for this, the dry air will punch in on the back side of this weather system and come in and shut off the rain for one, and maybe even break us off into sunshine later in the afternoon on Sunday. Give it some time. These things do not happen quickly. How much rain? 1, maybe even 2 inches in those downpours. They'll come down fiercely on Saturday night and early Sunday morning. When I say Sunday morning, I mean like 4 to 8 a.m., by the way. Mostly clear, dry, and cool, 48 to 59. And tomorrow the clouds will thicken. The evening showers move in. I'm thinking in that sense between 6 and 9 o'clock, about 68 to 75, maybe as early as 5 o'clock out through Worcester. There's your 7-day forecast, and we're warmer next week. At least a little blip in the screen there with near 80-degree weather by Tuesday and Wednesday. Then it cools off again.